Welcome to the Roof Expert Homeowner Education Series for homeowners looking for a Minneapolis roofing contractor. We've seen what happens when roofs fail in our tough Minnesota climate. The fact is that most homeowners ignore their roof until water is dripping into their living room, but by then, the damage is already done. Today, I'll show you 5 early warning signs that can save you from expensive repairs and headaches. Your roof is your home's first line of defense. Let's make sure it stays that way. Let's dive in. First up, curled or buckling shingles. If you see edges lifting or wavy lines, your shingles are failing. Minnesota's wild temperature swings and poor attic ventilation speed up this process. Curled shingles let wind and water sneak underneath, setting you up for leaks and bigger problems. Don't ignore these signs. One storm could turn minor curling into major damage. If your roof looks like this, it's time for a professional inspection. After a storm, check your gutters and the ground for black, sandy grit. Those are shingle granules. And losing them means your roof is losing protection. Look for bald spots or missing shingles from the ground or with binoculars. Even if your roof looks okay from the street, hidden damage can lead to leaks fast. A missing shingle is an open door for water. Always inspect after big storms. Catching issues early prevents costly repairs. Don't wait for a leak to show up inside. A sagging roofline is a serious warning sign. Stand back and check if your roof's ridge is straight. Dips or waves mean structural trouble, often from years of moisture or heavy snow. This isn't a cosmetic issue. It's a sign your roof's support system is failing. Don't just cover it up with new shingles. Get a professional assessment immediately. Ignoring a sag risks major interior damage or even collapse. Notice a yellow or brown stain on your ceiling. That's a leak, and it means water is already inside. Check your attic for musty smells, mold, or daylight peeking through. These are signs of long-term roof failure. By the time you see stains, damage is already underway. Moisture in your attic can ruin insulation and wood, and create health risks. Act fast. Don't let a small stain turn into a big problem. How old is your roof? In Minnesota, most asphalt shingle roofs last 15-20 years. Even if it looks fine, an old roof is living on borrowed time. Materials get brittle, granules disappear, and the risk of failure skyrockets. Insurance companies may even require replacement to keep your coverage. Replace your roof before it becomes an emergency. You'll save money and stress. Stay ahead of the game by knowing your roof's age. These 5 warning signs aren't just cosmetic, they're your roof's way of asking for help. Being proactive is always cheaper than waiting for disaster. Planned roof replacement lets you choose your contractor and materials and avoid emergency costs. Protect your home's value and your family's safety. For more tips and trusted roofing contractors in the Twin Cities area, visit theroofexpertusa.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay dry.
I'm the Roof Expert. Subscribe to our channel for the most up-to-date roofing information in the Minneapolis